Hey guys, this is Chase of MarineMax Clearwater. I want to show you this brand new SPX 210 outboard. It's powered by a strong Mercury 154 stroke engine. Sea Ray really has your family in mind when they designed this boat. There's plenty of room for everybody to get on board, lots of storage, and I'm going to take you through it and show it to you today. You'll see on the back here there's a ski handle, so when you want to tow or pull somebody behind you, you certainly can. The swim platform on both sides is pretty easily and accessible. Huge sun pad I was just sitting on the back here. One of the things they did on the 21 model was they made it so you can flip it up. You want to sit back, watch everybody play in the water, you certainly can right here on this. Also on this, like I said, storage on this boat, huge. Pull this other handle right here. Huge compartment, right? For you to see down here. You see we actually have a dive bag down here and there's still plenty of room. Everything that you need, you can fit in there. Now as you'll see as we walk through the boat, there's cup holders placed everywhere for you. Bimini top here is an add-on option that's on this boat. They went with the dune color on the interior, which I think looks great with the red on the outside, really looks sharp. Dual captain's chairs. Now these are super comfortable and they do have the flip-up bolster, which is an awesome option if you're like me and you kind of want to stand up when you drive. Now this 21 has the standard gauges, but you can opt to upgrade for a 9-inch Simrad display if you like, or 5-inch if you'd like. We can do that here at our location for you. Storage on the bottom, storage under the seats. There's a cooler under that seat. Really, like I said, Sea Ray just wants you to have a good time out on the water. If you're looking for a perfect boat to take up to the sandbar, this is the one for it. Two sun loungers on the bow here with cup holders underneath and storage underneath. Guys, like I said, great sandbar boat, great boat for the family and the kids to play. Come see us here at MarineMax Clearwater. Love to take you out on the water.